I'm Vince Howard, the chef at Tessa Delicatessen, and I'm here to make a muffaletta sandwich and probably eat one as well. Muffaletta is a classic Italian sandwich from New Orleans. You're going to see it a lot of different ways. We serve ours hot here at Tessa. It's sort of like the gooey, melty cheese version of the muffaletta. Almost everyone I've ever had was cold, not really made to order like we do here. But yeah, mine's a big melty cheese thing. So we got Italian meats, mortadella. My favorite of all, the mortadella, capicola. We got some pepperoni. I put some ham and some prosciutto in there. A lot of different Italian guys going on and a lot of spice. Peppers, roasted garlic, a bunch of different olives. That's just so that it holds together a little better. When I have one in New Orleans, the olives sort of slide out. There's like a big whole olives, and I just like got mine a little finer so that we get like a little bit more of a, you know, even balance of flavor profile with all of those things happening all at once in the spread. You know, I really like this sandwich because it's so simple. We do a lot to make our product portable so that you can eat it without it being a big mess. And that's kind of why I do this spread the way I do. When we get this ciabatta hot, this spread just completely melts into the bread and it just becomes like a solid thing when we melt the cheese with the meats and stuff. I really think it's cool because it doesn't make a mess. Even if you don't love olives, this sandwich kills. So good. I haven't had one in a while. You got to go revisit the product every now and then. Quality control. Here, you want the other half? It's just really good on the run. Like this is like, because you get like spicy, you know, the pepperoni is like kind of hot, almost a little hot. Like for me, it's a little bit of a burn. The salty briny kind of goes with, you know, kind of up against the spicy meat and makes it sort of a balanced thing. I mean, it's like hot enough that it's sort of heating up in the back of my head here. And the olive salad, like for me, it's better if it has a little peppers and garlic in it, because if it's just straight olives, you know, like tapenade is just, you know, it's always really garlicky. When you don't add peppers to the spread, it looks a little brown. So it's a little bit more of a visual to get the little tiny bit of spice in there. But